We had classified intelligence that a new type of metal gear was scheduled for transport. The whole thing stank, but our noses had been out in the cold too long.
Okay, Snake, are you in yet?
Yeah.
Stay low. There are too many Marines in there to handle. If they see you, you're dead.
I won't be making any sudden moves.
Anyway, go to the bridge first and find out where this ship is heading. Head north for now.
All right.
There's actually one little thing.
Just spit it out. I'm used to things going wrong.
We are here today to flush out and rid our country of these corrupting forces. They are all working on deploying their own Metal Gear force to compete with the U.S.'s nuclear strike capability. The world is about to see a swarm of these Metal Gear derivatives.
According to intelligence, this new model was designed to combat all the clone models of Metal Gear floating around in the world. Ocelot sold the Metal Gear specs to anyone with hard cash after he survived Shadow Moses. But was money really Ocelot's end objective? Anyway, every country that paid off Ocelot is racing to produce its own bipedal tank.
Who's there?
The military dominance of the U.S. will disappear.
Oh, what's that? Freeze.
In a world where Metal Gear has become commonplace, the only way to regain the upper hand is to possess a weapon even more powerful than Metal Gear.
And that means a new Metal Gear.
Exactly.
We initiated development of Metal Gear Ray as a countermeasure to these pirated weapons forces. The only thing that can stand up to a Metal Gear is, of course, another Metal Gear. With Ray, the hundreds, if not thousands, of Metal Gears that exist all over the world are no longer a threat. The blind rush to nuclear proliferation will be contained, and it will be the Marine Corps and our Ray that will accomplish this. That is our mission, and we'll bear that in mind.
And one more thing. Metal Gear that the tanker is transporting is being developed under Marine Corps jurisdiction. But I've also heard a rumor that the Navy is working on its own Metal Gear.
Any more info on the Navy's model?
I tried to hack some out, but security was too tight. But every one of my investigations takes me to one name. The name is the Patriots.
Who are they?
I wish I knew. I have no idea if this is an individual or an organization even. But once we expose the presence of this Marine Corps Metal Gear to the world, maybe that will shake the Patriots out of the tree. This mission is partly about that too.